Welcome to my channel. I'm driving here in Showview, Minnesota. This road here looks like country road. It's called Lexington. I don't know if it's Lexington Boulevard or whatever. I'll check over here. Lexington Avenue. Looks like a country road. If this is the first time for you to visit, don't forget to give this video a like, and you can leave a comment if you want. Over there's a lake called Lake Josephine in Showview, Minnesota. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos. You can leave comments, and you can come back and watch the playlist. If you are brand new to my channel, please come back and watch a playlist. I got enough videos to keep you entertained. As you can see, this Lexington Avenue looks like a country road. Again, this Twin Cities. But there's a suburb. You can see trees are changing color. It's almost fall. Look at that tree right there. It's changing color completely. But others are still green with a mixture of yellow. So it's fall season. We're gonna be talking about winter and snow. To my left, I used to play volleyball. It's called Central Park. Over there. Don't know if you can see people playing volleyball right there. That's sand volleyball. Play a lot of volleyball over there. And it's called Central Park. I don't know if you can see the sign right there. Just past it. Once again, thank you so much for joining here. Short drive. Just wanted to show you a street. They call it Avenue. That looks like a country road. Take it easy. Don't forget to come back and watch the playlists. It's been raining. That's why the street looks clean. There's no dust. Alright, I'm gonna go to Highway 36. We'll see you on the next video. You see the sign 36 East. Peace out.